Hey there, streamers. Struggling with a no signal message on your Amazon Fire TV stick? In this guide, we're diving deep into how to fix no signal on Amazon Fire TV stick so you can get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies without interruption. With simple step-by-step instructions, we'll troubleshoot the most common causes of this frustrating issue and get your Fire TV stick back up and running smoothly. So let's dive in and tackle this problem together. Step 1. Check your connections. First things first, let's make sure everything is properly connected. Begin by inspecting your Fire TV stick's HDMI connection. Unplug the stick from your TV and take a close look at the port. Any dust or grime could cause interference. Gently clean the port if needed. After that, make sure to securely plug the stick back into the TV. Also, check your TV's input settings to ensure the correct HDMI port is selected. This small detail often gets overlooked but is crucial for restoring the signal. Finally, verify that your Fire TV stick's power cable is firmly connected to a power source. Using the USB port on your TV for power might not provide enough energy, so consider using the wall adapter that came with your device for a consistent power supply. Step 2. Restart and reset. Sometimes all your Fire TV stick needs is a good old restart. Unplug it from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Once it powers back up, check to see if the signal is restored. If not, we might need to proceed to a reset. To perform a more thorough reset, navigate to the settings menu on your Fire TV stick. From there, select My Fire TV and choose Restart. For persistent issues, a factory reset might be necessary. Keep in mind that this will erase your data, so use this option with caution. You can perform a factory reset by holding the back and the right button on the directional pad for about 10 seconds. Then follow the on-screen instructions. Step 3. Ensure compatible devices and firmware. Compatibility is key. Verify that both your TV and Fire TV stick are up to date with the latest firmware. Fire TV software updates may introduce compatibility fixes and enhancements that resolve your issue. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, About, check for System Update to see if an update is needed. Similarly, using a Fire TV stick with a television model that doesn't fully support it can also result in signal issues. Consult your TV manual or manufacturer's support to confirm compatibility with streaming devices like the Fire TV. Step 4. Investigate cable and adapter issues. Your HDMI and power cables should be checked for any damage or wear that might disrupt the signal. If possible, try substituting them with new, high-quality cables to see if that resolves the issue. The AC adapters should also be inspected for any faults or defects. A loosely connected cable can cause intermittent problems, so make sure all connections are secure and firmly attached. If you're using any HDMI extenders or adapters such as splitters or converters, temporarily eliminate these to see if the direct connection resolves your signal problem. And there you have it. Simple steps on how to fix no signal on Amazon Fire TV stick. By ensuring that your connections are secure, rebooting or resetting your Fire TV stick, updating firmware, and checking your cables, you are well equipped to tackle and resolve this frustrating issue. Remember, patience and persistence are essential. Following these steps will not only restore your signal, but enhance your overall streaming experience. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the streaming content you love. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.